My name is Sarah Bentley. I've been a paralegal for 6 years now, and I recently applied at Dagger Law Firm in Lancaster, Ohio. This would be an exceptional job for me because Dagger Law Firm is a larger, more competitive firm. The pay is $40,000 a year. They offer benefits, vacation, 401k, and just the experience for working for a more competitive firm is what I'm looking for. So, how can I get this job? Well, for starters, I have the experience and relevant contacts that's going to provide me with references and work samples from my employment portfolio. They are asking for paralegals that have at least 5 years experience. So that's basically all I've seen that they're looking for. I do know that there's a whole list of job duties and responsibilities that this position is going to include, such as preparing and drafting motions. I'll have to do pleadings, judgment entries, affidavits, subpoenas, balance sheets, and probably other normal daily correspondence. Legal research is a given, or maintaining attorney calendars and organizing case files. Probably not scheduling appointments, but I will have to do mediation and deposition hearings or make court appearances. It says on there that I'll serve as a liaison between client and attorneys. That's basically just when you conduct client intake interviews. I'll prepare a trial notebook, and then on some days I'll probably go to trials. Dagger Law Firm is a personal injury firm, and personal injury and bankruptcy and criminal are my strongest areas of law. At Dagger, they want somebody to prepare and review discovery. That includes disclosure statements, answers to interrogatories, production requests. I'll have to investigate the income, expenses, probably the lifestyles of like one or both parties in personal injury cases. But that's part of the discovery process. That's just like asking questions. Maintaining effective communication with clients is a major responsibility of a paralegal. Effective communication with other attorneys, opposing counsel, bank personnel, healthcare providers, accountants, financial officers. That's all hand in hand. Also, the thing about working for a personal injury attorney that's going to be great for me is knowing the federal and state court system. I have pretty strong legal research and writing skills, and I know that that is the main requirement in competitive firms. And they're looking for someone that can cite cases, cross-reference, and find parallel cites and ALR annotations. I've learned all of this. I've practiced all of this. I've got tons of experience in shepherdizing cases, and I know how to find the best ones. Most people spend the majority of their free time like on social media or playing games. I'm normally on Westlaw, LexisNexis, or legal forums. It's where you like asking or answering randoms, or landing new pro bono cases cross country for COVID-19. That's something new I started doing. But I don't claim to know everything about law. It's impossible because law is ever changing. Accountants aren't required to be fluent in math. In fact, being an accountant requires detail orientation and the ability to do basic math in your head quickly. The same notion as a paralegal. We don't have to know or memorize every single statute, but we do have to be fast enough in our minds to be able to recognize like what law applies to the situation, how to find it. Bottom line is, Dagger is the firm that I think is going to challenge me the most. It's fast-paced with its competitive benefit package, and being an hour and a half away, that's really not a big deal to me because I'm already driving 40 minutes. But it's exactly what I need at this point in my life. So let's see. Law has always been my passion. It's what I'm good at, and this is going to give me an opportunity to utilize my interpersonal skills and team skills in a very goal-oriented, structured environment. The duties, the benefits, the mission, it's basically an outline of what I'm looking for. So, Randy Hapney is the attorney there at Dagger Law Firm. He was noted in Ohio's Super Lawyer by Cincinnati Magazine since 2009, which is pretty cool. I'm an active member of my community, and like I was saying earlier, like I've recently picked up some pro bono cases for legal support for American families that have been affected by COVID-19 across the U.S. So basically how that works is it's a listserv. Every day they'll post new pro bono projects online, and then you go to apply for it. It'll show you how many positions are open, how many hours it will take, and what type of case it is, what attorney and what state you'll be working in. You do it all from home, and if you're interested in taking that case, you click on it and it'll let you know if there's any available slots. So by doing these cases, they're helping me keep my skills up to date for whenever all of this blows over. I can go straight into work and not forget how to do anything, basically. Motions, pleadings, judgment entries, affidavits, those are all things that you have to pretty much be in practice with all of the time. They're all basically the same, but state law and state forms change. So you just have to basically research what that state requires, and then that's it. So balance sheets and other daily correspondence, that's pretty much easy for me. So I found this job on Indeed, and I actually applied for it. So right now I'm updating my resume and making sure that it's exactly what they're looking for, and I'll let you know if I get the job. So thanks.